find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna grab some afternoon delight. My motto's always been, when it's right, why you wait till the middle of a cold dark night, when everything's a little clearer in the light of day, and you know the night's gonna be anyway. Think of you's working up her appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Rubbing stick and snows together, make a spark ignite. The thought of loving you is getting so exciting. Skyrocket, sailing flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Started out this morning with a sober light, always full to this could not be called in bite. Drift and fade away the thick cat miles of nibbling in a little afternoon delight. Skyrocket, sailing flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Instrumental bit. Loving you is getting so exciting. Skyrocket, singing slide, afternoon delight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers again with another classic for you there. Starland vocal band, Afternoon Delight. Okay, singing purely for reference. Okay, not intended to be a cover version. Okay, so I am in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the third fret capo, puts us into the same key as the original version by Starland vocal band. Okay, so let's get into it. Right, so it starts off with this D chord. Okay, and you start off by strumming the D chord and you pick around the top 3 or 4 strings, right, and you start off after your original strum on the D chord. Take off that second finger, open up the top E string, okay? Then put your pinky on the top E string on the 3rd fret, make a D suspended, yeah? And then go back to a standard D chord with that finger back on the 2nd fret of the top E string, okay? So, got that? So straightforward D chord. Take that second finger off, open up the top E string, then add your pinky to the 3rd fret on the top E string, then back to the straightforward D chord. Okay, so then we go to a G6, keeping that 3rd finger on that 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string there, 2nd string 3rd fret, yeah, from the D chord, keeping that finger there. Make up a G chord shape, but leave the top E string open. Top E string open, and now you've got a G6, and you strum down and you pick around again the top 3 or 4 strings, okay? That sort of thing, okay? Okay, after the initial strum. Okay? It doesn't have to be precise, just that, you know, that's the sort of thing you have to do, okay? So let's, from the beginning, let's do it again. repeat the whole thing. And it goes into the song at that point. Okay, so just do that one for you again, the intro slowly. Okay, it's fairly slow, it's not too quick. Okay. Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight. So that's all on D, yeah. First line of the song, gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight. Gonna grab is an E minor seventh. And what I'd like you to do is to play it like this, to get the right sound, is leave that again, leave that third finger on that third fret of the second string from the D chord. Add your pinky to the top E string on the third fret, and put your first finger on the second fret of the fifth string, the A string. You can hit all 6 strings. That's an E minor seventh, okay? And we'll be using this chord all the way through the song. Okay, so we go, come out of that intro, and we go, gonna find my baby, gonna hold her. E minor seventh. Back to the D. Mother's always been when it's right, it's right. E minor 7, way in the middle of a cold dark night. So it's 2 lots of D to E minor 7th. Okay, so from the beginning. Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna grab some afternoon delight. My motto's always been when it's right, why wait till the middle of the cold dark nights, okay? Now at that point you stay on the E minor 7th, okay? When a little clearer than an A chord, okay? Straightforward A chord. Back to the E minor 7th, and we know the night's gonna be anyway. Back to the A chord. So 2 lots of E minor 7th to A, E minor 7th to A, okay? So from the beginning, let's go back to the beginning of the verse. Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna have some afternoon delight. My mother's always been when it's right, Stay there. When everything's a little A, back to the E minor 7, and we know the night's gonna A. Another verse, back to the D. E minor 7, rubbing sticks and stuff, D, back to the E minor 7, it's so exciting. Now this is where it changes. We go into the skyrockets in flight bit, okay? And that's a D chord, skyrockets in flight, all on D, that, skyrockets in flight. And then we go suspended, D suspended 4, add your pinky to that top E string on the third fret. Just a quick one, on and off, okay? Skyrockets in flight. Got that? Skyrockets in flight. Right? Now this is a bit tricky. It goes to A. Afternoon delight. Bit quick, this. A. After F sharp 7th. No delight. B minor. A chord, and after F sharp 7th, that's the second fret from the capo, major chord, pinky off. Okay? So A, afternoon delight, B minor, second fret bar chord again, B minor. And then take this second finger off on, and then put it back again. So you got skyrockets in flight, afternoon delight, that sort of thing, okay? So it comes, so you got from that skyrockets in flight, afternoon delight. Hammer that finger back in again, so you go E minor, F sharp minor, so it's a 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape this time, 2nd fret bar, and then 4th fret on the from the capo on the 5th string and the 4th string. So it's E minor, F sharp minor, G, A. So it's afternoon, D, D, right? And then repeat, afternoon delight. Okay, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, D. Okay, so this whole bit is, let's do the 2nd verse and that lot. Okay, so thinking of you, looking at the tide, looking forward to a little afternoon delight, rubbing sticks and stones together makes a sparking night. The thought of loving you is getting so exciting, sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. Repeat, last bit. Afternoon delight. Okay, then we go into the next verse. Okay, you got that? So let's go from the beginning all the way to that point, because then we just got repetition after this. Okay, so here we go from the beginning, the very beginning. Okay, here we go. Motto's always been when it's right, why wait until the middle of the cold explain, when everything's a little clearer in the light of day, and we know the night is always gonna be anyway. 2nd verse. Think about looking up the appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight, rubbing sticks and stones together makes a spark ignite. The thought of your loving is so exciting, sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Repeat, afternoon delight. Next verse. Started out this morning through the sober light, I was full of fish, lots of words in this one. Nibbling in the afternoon, skyrockets again. Skyrockets in flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Repeats again. Afternoon delight. Now instrumental bit, same as the verse. Right, now E minor 7th again. Please be waiting for me when I come. A, E minor to A again, E minor 7 to A again. Make a lot of love before the sun goes down. Next verse. Think about walking up the appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight, rubbing sticks and stones together makes a spark ignite. The thought of loving you is getting so exciting. So rockets again, rockets in flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Into that one bit again. Afternoon delight. This time again, but slower. Afternoon delight. Slow one again. Afternoon delight. Then the final riff on the end of the song. Okay, so that's 4 lots of that afternoon delight, and the last 2 are quite slow. They sort of harmony build-ups. Okay, and then you get to the end of the song. Afternoon delight. Strum the D chord, and then you've got this little riff, very simple. Hammer opens 5th string, open 5th string, the A string to the 2nd fret, open 4th string, so Then you go to the 2nd fret of the 5th again, pull off to open 5th, so it's, and then you go to the 1st fret of the bottom E string, hit that one and pull off to open E, okay, and then the D chord again, so it's, got that. Pull off from 2nd on the 5th to open, and then 1st fret bottom E string to open, D chord. Okay, initial open 5th string, hammer to 2nd fret, open 4th. Right. Then the 2nd on the 5th, pull off to open A. 1st fret 6th string, bottom E string, pull off to bottom E string, D chord. That's it. Okay, so skyrockets in flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Repeat that again. Afternoon delight. Now it starts to slow down. 2 lots of slow. Afternoon delight. Again. Afternoon delight. And there you have it, boys and girls. Great song. Hope you enjoy that one, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.